Hi. So in this video, we're going to be proving that lines are parallel. So we are going to use converse of most of the theorems that we saw in a previous video, right? So the first one is the converse of the corresponding angles theorem. So if two lines are transversal um, form corresponding angles that are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. As you can see, this is the converse. We are going now the other way. So I'm proving that if I have corresponding angles that are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. For example, if angle 2 and 6 are congruent, then line P and line Q are parallel. The same if 1 and 5, or 4 and 8, or 3 and 7. So as you will see right now, all the theorem and postulates is exactly the same. This one is going to tell you if two lines are transversals for and a transversal form alternate interior angles that are congruent, then the two lines are parallel, right? And so on, right there, right? The alternate exterior is the same, and the same side interior. Again, alternating exterior and same side interior, right? The only difference with the same side interior postulate is that if two lines on transversal form same side interior angles that are supplementary, then the two lines are parallel to each other. So if angle 3 plus 6 equals 180, or angle 4 plus angle 5 equals 180, then the line P and Q are parallel. So let's see some exercises. Okay, so now I want to determine which lines or segments are parallel and justify our answer. As you can see, I have this angle telling me that it's congruent with that one, right? So those two angles are corresponding angles. Those two angles are corresponding angles, so that means that D and E, so line D is parallel to line E, right? And my transversal line is line T, and this is by the converse of corresponding angles. The second one right here. So I have those two angles, this angle right here and that one. Those two angles are alternate interior angles. So those two angles are alternate interior angles because they are congruent. That means that my lines are parallel. Is line AB is parallel to line DC, and my transversal line is line DAD, right here, right? And because they are alternate interior, the converse of. The next one, so this one, the angles are congruent. I'm not going to look at line H. Again, I'm not looking at line H. So this line, these two angles right here are alternate exterior angles. So this angle, that one is alternate exterior. So it's like the converse of alternate exterior angles. Then line T is parallel to line U. Let's write the line U. And the transversal is line G. Again, as you can see, this one are alternate exterior angles. So those are the two lines that are parallel, and this one is the line that is the transversal. Number 4. Again, let's ignore this line right here, and let's ignore that line over there, right? So that means that I have a pair of angles, this one and that one right here. They are parallel. Let me add this one. Let's say that line is A because we don't have a name, right? So that means that those two angles are corresponding angles right there. So that means that my line that are parallel is line B is parallel to line E. A is the transversal, line A, And this is the converse of corresponding angles. Now, in this one, I want to determine the value of x for which r is parallel to s. So my first step is that I'm going to identify what type of angles I have. So those two angles are alternate exterior angles, right? Alternate exterior angles are an opposite side of the transversal outside. So that means that based on the converse of the alternate exterior angles, those two angles should be congruent. So the measures should be the same. So I could have parallel lines. So I'm just solving this equation. Minus 6. So 2x equals 36. And I'm going to divide by 2. So that means that x has to equal to 18 degrees. So that those two lines are parallel to each other. Now, on the next one, as you can see now, I have alternate, same side interior angles. Okay, so same side interior angles. So that means that in this case, they have to be supplementary. They have to be supplement to each other. So 3x minus 17 equals 180. So now I'm just solving that equation right here. So 3x plus 81 equals 180. So minus 81. 3x equals 99 and 3. So x equals 33 degrees. So again, at this one, I want to find x so that those two lines are parallel. So my first step is to identify what type of angles they are. So they are alternate exterior angles, and alternate exterior angles for the line to be parallel has to be congruent angles. So 3x minus 63 equals 2x plus 2. Now I'm going to solve plus 63. So 3x equals 2x plus 65 minus 2x. So x equals 65 degrees. The next one, number 8. Again, in this case, I have same side interior angles. So same side interior angle, again, they have to be supplementary angles. So plus 112 equals 180. And I'm just solving that equation for x plus 104 equals 180 minus 104 for x equals 76. And I'm going to divide by 4. So x equals 19 degrees. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.